Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads specifically for your Shopify online store. So the first thing you will want to have is obviously an account on Shopify as well as a business account on Facebook. So I already have my online store on Shopify and this is how it looks like. It is actually a clothing and jewelry store. It's called Eyes of the Sun. And I also have my account on Facebook, and this one is a business account. So if you haven't created a business account yet, go ahead and create one before we can jump and try to create our Facebook ads. So first, before we go to Facebook, we will want to connect an app on Shopify. And to do that, you can go ahead and click on app, and then this search bar is going to pop up. Go ahead and try to find for Meta. So this is the one that we're looking for. It's the Facebook and Instagram app. Go ahead and click on it, and then we're going to install this app on our Shopify. All right, and you can read all this if you want to, because they're going to explain on what they might be able to access to. And if you're fine with it, go ahead and click on install. And now we've got our application installed. What this app does is it's going to connect your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. And you can see if you scroll all the way down, this is all of the things that you can do. It's going to advantage catalog and ads, metapixel and conversion API, etc. So we can go ahead and get started. And here you will want to set up your shop, your Facebook account. Go ahead and connect it. Then you can just confirm on your account, and you're going to want to allow this app to access your account. So once you have connected your account, you're going to want to connect your business asset, and then there's this data sharing and terms condition, and then you can click submit for review. If you finish all of those steps, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Facebook account, the business account one, and you're going to go to click on setting and then go to add account. And I have this add account right here, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one. To create a new ad account, if you haven't have one, you can just go ahead and click on add account, and then you can choose whether you want to create a new account or maybe you want to claim an existing ad account, or you can also request to share an ad account with another businesses that might have an account. Just going to go ahead and create a new one, and let's say we're going to name it Eyes of the Sun Shopify store. And then you can change time zone if you want, as well as the currency. Then you can go ahead and click on next, and then it's going to show you the summary of changes that's going on your account. And then it says that once created, business admins full control of this business account will also be able to manage the ad account. Go ahead and agree on that. Then we're going to create our ad account. So it depends on the business account that you have. Mine actually limits me to create up to only one ads account, and I've already created mine. But if you haven't created any ad account, you can just click on continue, and then all you have to do is just to set up your payment and you're done. So since I cannot create a new one, I'm just going to use on this ones right here. Next, what we're going to do is you're going to want to click on it, and then you're going to want to click on the triple dots right here besides your ads account, and then you're going to find this open in ads manager. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And here you're going to be able to manage your ads and see how your ads is going. And I haven't had any campaign yet, so let's try and create a new one. Go ahead and click on create, and then you will be able to choose whether the apps is going to be auction type or reservation type. So on reservation type, we have awareness and engagement objective. Meanwhile, on auction type, we have some more campaign objective. And these actually will depends on what you're trying to find when you try to create an ads on Facebook. Would you like to spread awareness? Would you like to increase more traffic to your web page? Would you like to create engagement? Would you like to get some leads, or would you like to promote an app, or maybe you will want to increase sales? So in the end, conversion is what we're trying to find, and you can see what each campaign is going to be good for. For example, app promotion is good for app installs and app event. Sales are good for conversions and catalog sales. Leads are good for instance form, messages and Instagram, conversions, calls, etc. So you can take a look on which objective is going to be the most suitable for your business. Let's say for now I would like my objective to be sales, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then I'm going to click on continue. Then I can choose the campaign setup. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one and then click on continue. So this one actually comes with a preset setting, so you can take a look at the preset of the setting if you want. So it says that the campaign objective is sales, dynamic creative off, placement is going to be advantage and placement, and the age is going to be 18 and over. Then you can change the name of your campaigns if you want. Let's say I'm just going to change it to Shopify sale, and then you can create categories for your apps, like what kind of categories will it be, and you can also choose for the conversion location. So for me, I want my conversion to be for website because I don't have an app yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose that one. And then the performance goal, I will want to use maximize number for conversion. And you can also set the audience location, and you can also set your budget. You can choose whether you want to put daily budget or lifetime budget. Once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and click on next. And here you can take a look at the ad preview. So this is going to show how your ads will look like after you finish all of the necessary data to be inputted. So first, let's click on the identity. It's going to be on my Facebook ads. Then you can also change the format of how you want your ads to look like. Is it a single image or video? Is it a carousel, or is it a collection? And this is the most important part. So you will want to set your destination to your Shopify. And here, I'm going to go to my online store. Then let's click on view store. So this is the store link that I want people to go to. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And then I'm going to try to preview link so that I know that they're going to go to the right destination. And you can also add translations if you want, or you can also track event data, etc. But this right here is the most important part on connecting your Facebook ads to your Shopify online store. And once you're done with everything, you can just go ahead and click on publish, and you're done with your campaign. And that is it. That is how you can create a Facebook ads for your Shopify online store or for your Shopify account. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.